Most people trying to learn cloud computing and AI today are doing it the wrong way, not because they are not capable, but because they are following scattered, outdated advice. Welcome everyone. In our recent discussion with Cloud Heroes Africa, we did break down cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and most importantly, how you can position yourself for real opportunities in this space. Let's start with the big picture. Cloud computing is growing rapidly, with the global market projected to exceed $1 trillion in the coming years. At the same time, millions of new jobs are being created, and Africa is in a strong position to benefit from this growth. One key advantage is time zone alignment. Many African countries share working hours with Europe, making collaboration a breeze. This creates real opportunities to work globally without needing to relocate. So, what exactly is cloud computing? In simple terms, it's the ability to rent computing power, storage, and networking over the internet, rather than owning physical hardware. Everything in cloud computing is built on a few core pillars: compute, where your applications run; storage, where your data is kept; networking, how systems communicate; security and identity, which controls access; databases for managing structured data; and modern deployment methods like serverless and containers. Serverless pretty much means you only pay when your code is actually running, nothing more. Containers, they allow you to package applications with everything they need to run, making them easy to deploy and scale. Tools like Kubernetes help manage these containers at scale. There are three major cloud providers you should know: AWS, Amazon Web Services; Azure for Microsoft; and Google Cloud. AWS leads the market with the largest number of services and job opportunities. It also provides powerful AI tools through services like Bedrock. Azure, on the other hand, is widely used in enterprise environments, especially where organizations already use Microsoft tools. It integrates well with services like Active Directory and Office. Google Cloud is growing quickly and is particularly strong in AI and data analytics. Tools like BigQuery and Gemini make it attractive for data-focused roles. If you're just starting, don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one platform, go deep, and build real understanding. There are free entry-level certifications available: AWS Cloud Practitioner, Azure AZ 900, and Google Cloud Digital Leader. Some of them could cost about $100 US dollars. These are great starting points, but they are not enough on their own. One common mistake is focusing only on certifications. Certifications without practical skills will not make you job ready. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI is no longer optional, it's becoming essential. There are two main types to understand: traditional AI, which identifies patterns such as spam email filtering, and generative AI, which creates content, including text, images, code, videos, and more. AI depends heavily on cloud computing. It requires large amounts of compute power and data storage. That's why cloud platforms are the foundation of modern AI systems. Each cloud provider offers AI tools. AWS has Bedrock and SageMaker. Azure integrates OpenAI, which has ChatGPT, and Google Cloud offers Vertex AI. Having AI skills gives you a major advantage. In many years, employers will choose someone who understands AI over someone who doesn't. Learning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Even 10 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. So, set clear goals, schedule your exams, and track your progress. There are many free resources available. Platforms like Learn IT Free, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud all provide learning paths and free tiers. Community is powerful. Join study groups, participate in discussions, and learn from others. Africa as a real opportunity in cloud and AI, but success will depend on preparation, consistency, and mindset. Focus on the fundamentals, not just tools. Be adaptable, stay consistent, and you'll be just fine. The opportunity is here, but it requires action. Start learning, build projects, and stay committed. If you want a clear step-by-step roadmap, I've put everything together for you. You can access it using the link below and also join the community for ongoing support and guidance. This is Vitus DK, and you already know.